Have you ever looked at a map and imagined the continents moving? It's true. The Earth's continents are in constant, albeit very slow motion. India, the magnificent landmass we know today, has an especially dramatic story to tell. Billions of years ago, India embarked on an epic journey drifting across the globe. This journey, filled with colossal collisions and dramatic transformations, shaped not only the Indian subcontinent but also the very face of our planet. Let's embark on a journey through time to uncover the secrets of India's incredible geological past. From its humble beginnings as part of an ancient supercontinent to its dramatic collision with Asia, India's geological history is a tale of epic proportions. Along the way, it has been home to fascinating creatures, experienced catastrophic events, and undergone dramatic transformations. Understanding this history gives us a deeper appreciation for the land we live on and its place in the grand narrative of Earth's evolution. Our story begins over 200 million years ago. Picture a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. At this time, the continents as we know them were merged into a single gigantic landmass called Pangaea. India was nestled within this supercontinent attached to what is now Africa, Antarctica, Australia and South America. This massive southern portion of Pangaea had a special name, Gondwana. Gondwana was a land of incredible biodiversity. Forests of ferns and conifers covered the landscape. Dinosaurs of all shapes and sizes thrived in this ancient environment. India, during its time in Gondwana, played host to its own unique array of these magnificent creatures. Their fossils, remnants of a time long past, tell a fascinating story of life on the subcontinent before its epic journey. About 150 million years ago, Pangaea began to break apart. India, now separated from Gondwana, embarked on its own solitary journey northwards. Imagine a raft drifting slowly across a vast ocean. That's how India moved, inch by inch, over millions of years, towards the colossal landmass of Eurasia. The Tethys Ocean, once a vast expanse of water, began to shrink as India drew closer. The inevitable finally happened. India collided with Eurasia around 50 million years ago. This wasn't your average fender bender. It was a slow-motion collision of unimaginable scale. The immense pressure from this tectonic clash had a spectacular consequence: the birth of the Himalayas. The land buckled, folded, and rose skyward, creating the highest mountain range on Earth. The collision continues even today, pushing the Himalayas a tiny bit higher. Section 4. Dinosaurs of the subcontinent, Indian giants. Before the Great Collision, India was a land teeming with dinosaurs. These weren't just any dinosaurs. India was home to some of the most unique and impressive species ever discovered. Imagine long-necked sauropods like the massive Rajasaurus grazing on towering trees. Picture the fearsome Rajasaurus, a predator with a distinctive horn on its head stalking its prey. These dinosaurs adapted to the warm tropical climate of ancient India, left behind a rich fossil record. Their bones, footprints, and even eggs tell a story of a lost world. A world where giant reptiles ruled the land, and India was a hotbed of dinosaur evolution. These fossil discoveries provide a glimpse into a time when India was a very different place, long before the Himalayas graced its northern. Section 5. The Day the Dinosaurs Died, the KPG event in India. About 66 million years ago, a cataclysmic event brought the reign of the dinosaurs to a dramatic end. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This impact, known as the Chicxulub impact, triggered a chain reaction of global devastation. The KPG extinction event, as it's known, marked a turning point in Earth's history. India, though geographically distant from the impact site, didn't escape unscathed. The impact triggered massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions that wreaked havoc across the globe. The skies darkened as dust and debris choked the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. Temperatures plummeted, plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. The dinosaurs, along with countless other species, couldn't survive this global catastrophe. In India, the fossil record abruptly ends, marking the end. Section 6. Unearthing the Past, Fossil Discoveries in India. India's geological history isn't just buried in the past, it's literally buried beneath our feet. Fossils, those precious remnants of ancient life, are scattered across the subcontinent, waiting to be discovered. From the dinosaur fossils of the Narmada Valley to the marine fossils of the Himalayas, Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle of India's past. The Narmada Valley in central India is a treasure trove of dinosaur fossils. Here, paleontologists have unearthed the remains of giant sauropods, ferocious theropods, and even the eggs of these ancient creatures. These discoveries provide a glimpse into the diversity of dinosaur life that once thrived in India. High in the Himalayas, where the towering peaks now stand, scientists have found fossils of marine creatures. These fossils, remnants of a time when the Tethys Ocean covered the region, are a testament to the dramatic geological forces that have shaped the Indian. Section 7. India's enduring legacy in Earth's story. India's epic journey from a small part of Gondwana to the landmass we know today has left an indelible mark on our planet. The collision that created the Himalayas not only reshaped the geography of Asia but also influenced global climate patterns. The uplift of the Tibetan Plateau, a consequence of the ongoing collision, has had a profound impact on atmospheric circulation, affecting monsoon patterns and even the global climate. Today, as we marvel at the majestic Himalayas or walk in the footsteps of dinosaurs in the Narmada Valley, we're reminded of India's incredible geological journey. This journey, spanning millions of years, is a testament to the power of geological forces and the interconnectedness of our planet. Understanding this history gives us a deeper appreciation for the land we live on and its place in the grand narrative of Earth's evolution. It's a story that continues to unfold, reminding us that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of India's geological past, we gain a greater understanding not only of our planet's history but also